Testers support short circuit, insulation resistance, and BDV testing, plus optional static capacitance and microconductance testing. Tester features single-channel output, 3-channel scanning, PLC interface, RS-232, and LAN communication. Pulsed lithium battery cell short circuit tester ANBTS7201 series, using second-generation lithium battery short circuit testing technology. Fast large cell short circuit testing, high insulation resistance, repeatability, multifunctional, compact. Tester uses constant current charging, pressure holding discharge, and constant current discharging methods. Real-time voltage drop detection, identifies cell separator shorts, punctures, and micro-shorts. Tester, based on traditional CV constant voltage control mode, added CC constant current charging mode, with a maximum charging current of 50 mA. Prevents large current impact on the separator while reducing charging time for large capacity cells. ANBTS7201 series short circuit testers. Suitable for insulation performance testing between positive and negative electrodes of lithium battery cells before electrolyte injection, as well as between positive/negative tabs and the casing. Widely used in automated production equipment, laboratories, and R&D centers for consumer batteries, power batteries, and energy storage batteries. Aino Instruments was founded in 1993 and is a shareholding technology enterprise. The company has substantial resources and owns 2 industrial parks located in Jinan and Qingdao, Shandong Province. The total area of the parks exceeds 34,000 square meters, and there are currently over 610 employees. The parks feature an Innovation Technology Research Institute, a product development center, and a manufacturing base.